you join me in the depths of Cornwall. I've no idea where I am. So hey, usually I start these vlogs like, oh, you know, I'm here, it's unexplored location I've been before. That is very much the case, more so than any other time today, because I've come to Kennall Vale Nature Reserve, which doesn't have a car park, I found, on this very narrow road. Everything's private roads. It was, sat-nav was telling me to go off a road and it was someone's drive. That happened about 3 or 4 times. So basically what I've done, car is driven right around what I assume is the nature reserve and parked just on a dirt bit where some other cars were, and I'm gonna walk because it's nice days, it's lovely around here. Gonna have a walk and see where the nature reserve is, if it's around here. It looks naturey. Does that work? So yeah, I'm gonna have a walk down this road and see what I can find. Duke of Edinburgh coming in handy once again, walking on the right side of the road. Let's see what we find over here. God, this place is epic. Found a zebra already. All right, mate, trot along. It says the nature reserve is down this way. In my experience, not many nature reserves have 60-mile-an-hour roads running through them. I am kind of fearing for my life at the minute. Oh, as these cars go by. But you know, what I do for the vlog. Oh, hang on. I think we're onto something here. This doesn't look roady. Looks quite nature reserve-y. Oh no. False alarm. Someone's house. Great. This might end up being the Matt Walks on a Road episode of the Cornwall series. We'll have to see what happens. It's not looking great at the minute. I'm still on a road. I'm not on a road anymore. I am at Kennall Vale Nature Reserve. Finally. Not gonna lie, a little bit creepy in here. There's all these kind of like, I don't even know what to call them. I want to say like abandoned, like shack things. Almost like something out of a horror film. It's cool, it's just a little bit creepy. I'm gonna be honest, when I was walking down that 60-mile-an-hour road, I was thinking, it's not gonna be worth it. It is, I can't say it's not. I can't, it is, it's really good. It's cool. Just as I said that, I've hit a wall. There's nowhere else to go. Apart from maybe up. I'm not entirely sure. So when I said it was worth it, I like it. If you're kind of sightseeing and feel like this might be a good place to come, my thing is probably save your petrol, because it is a bit of a trek for not very much. There is, however, a rope swing on a tree if you're that way inclined. I'm not, because my luck is terrible. Having said that, there is a bit of it that's closed. I've just seen it's like a bridge that says under like renovation or something, so you can go further. There is more here. It's just there's not an awful lot here right now. Apologies, by the way, I'm having to do this on Insta story because I've run out of phone space and there's no signal here. If you are like got a few hours to kill or something, I thoroughly recommend just coming and sitting here because it's very peaceful, it's very nice. It's just if you're out here looking for a big long walk, you get that on the way here. When you actually get here, not an awful lot, but it is nice to sit around. It's all right. I've discovered more. I was too eager to call this place a failure. I found another path. There's more to this place. Go up there as well. I don't know how you get up there, but there is another path through the spooky ruins as well. I was very wrong about this place. It's much bigger than I thought it was. Lots of paths, lots of water, lots of things to take photos of, videos and everything, which you know I love to do. No, this place is good. Genuinely, nearly just fallen in the water there. I'm making my own way back up this like, rather steep hill. Back to the car, back on the 60-mile-an-hour road. Come to Kennall Vale though. If you're in this area, come to Kennall Vale. And we're back on the path. Once again, apologies for the audio quality on this. I am filming it on my camera because my iPhone's out of room, which is what you get for having a 16GB iPhone. Thanks very much for watching. It's a short one today, but I did promise I'd come and visit Kennall Vale, and I did, and I enjoyed it. If you're in the area and you don't mind a walk, make sure you come and visit. If you enjoyed the episode, give it a like. Comment if you've been here, comment places that I should go to, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And if you don't see me again, it's because I've been killed on this 60-mile-an-hour road. See you in a bit. Oh Jesus, oh Jesus. No.